So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn into the devil as part of my Halloween series that I do every single year. And if you want to make sure you see every video, make sure you hit subscribe and the little bell next to it to make sure that you see all of my Halloween tutorials. So let's get started. So I'm just going to use some NYX white eye base to prime my eyelids a little bit. Just using a little tiny bit. You don't need a whole lot. For our crease color, I'm just going to go in with a matte gray. This is Bedrock from Makeup Geek. I'm going to start applying this with a Sigma pencil brush. Now I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to blend this all out, getting rid of any harsh edges. And then on the same brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of Rockstar, which is a duochrome from Makeup Geek, and put this under the brow bone. On the lid, I'm going to use, this is from the K-pop collab with ColourPop. This is the color Beverly. It's just a dark burgundy, so whatever color you have that kind of goes like a really dark brown based burgundy. I'm going to take Too Faced glitter glue and apply this on top of the shade we just used. Then I'm going in with my Sin Cosmetics Panic Glitter. It's just this really pretty red. And I'm going to use a small packing brush. The lower lid, I'm going to take Bento Box, also from ColourPop, and I'm just going to smudge it on with a pencil brush. It's kind of a sparkly slate gray. I'm going to throw on some black winged liner and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and get them all beautiful. I'm going to use Benefit's Roller Lash. I've never used this before, but I know Jeffree Star loves it. So I'm just going to brush this on. Now I'm going to contour using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette in Dulce de Leche. For blush, I'm going to use this Revlon Bronze Glow kind of brick on just a big fluffy brush. For lips, I'm going to use Copenhagen Pencil from NYX. is Black Orchid from Wet n Wild. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to turn yourself into the devil. And if you recreate this look for Halloween, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.